Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle plum. First, gather about 2 pounds of firm, ripe plums. Wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris, then carefully remove all stems and leaves. Next, gently prick each plum several times with a fork. This small step is crucial as it helps the pickling brine penetrate the fruit, ensuring a flavorful and evenly pickled plum. This preparation sets the stage for a delicious outcome. Now let's create the perfect pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and half a cup of granulated sugar. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Then, add 2 tablespoons of pickling salt and any desired spices, like star anise for extra flavor. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. This ensures all ingredients are fully dissolved and well integrated. With your brine ready, it's time to pickle the plums. Carefully pack your prepared plums into clean, sterilized canning jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Pour the hot pickling brine over the plums, ensuring they are completely submerged. Tap jars gently to release air bubbles. Once filled, seal the jars tightly. Allow them to cool completely at room temperature before refrigerating. For optimal flavor, let them pickle for at least 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, your delicious pickled plums are ready to enjoy. They offer a fantastic balance of sweet and sour, making them a versatile treat. You can enjoy them straight from the jar as a refreshing snack, or get creative by serving them alongside roasted meats, cheeses, or even in salads. They add a wonderful tangy kick to any meal. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade pickled plums.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.